Okay, so to start this look, I'm going to use this Milani Shadow Eyes pencil, and this is in black ink. I'm going to use this as a base for the black. And I'm going to blend this out with a synthetic brush. Then I'm going to go into the black, and then I'm going to add that. I'm going to go into the black, which is east and west, with a big brush, and I'm going to add that to the lid. Pat it on first, and then blend. I'm going to go into Sputnik, and I'm going to blend the edge out with this. Press it on first, and then blend. Go back in with the black and add if needed. And then blend out with the red. I'm also going to add a little bit of checkpoint. I'm gonna go into the NYX Lid Lingerie, and then I'm going to blend out the brow bone with these two colors here. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of Sputnik. And a little more of the black. In the center, I'm going to go in with this duochrome called Breakthrough. It's like a green, like a antique green bronze with a plummy purple. So I'm going to go into the center with that, and I'm going to use a sponge tip applicator. I'm just going to blend out the edge with the black. On the lower lash line, we're just going to do the same thing. And go in with the Milani pencil. And then we're going to smudge that out. Go in with the black. and the red. I'm going to go into the inner corner with Transit, which is it looks white, but it has a pink reflect. I don't think the camera's going to pick that up, but it's got a pinky reflect to it. I don't think it's going to pick it up, but it should show when I put it on. I did spray this color because it is a little flaky. And I'm going to press it in my inner corner. And you can see the pink a little bit more. And that's the look. And then I'm going to finish it up and then I'll come back with my thoughts. Alright, so this is the look that I did using the Lethal Cosmetics Berlin 89 palette as a collab with Miss Dion from Dion Loves Makeup. I appreciate her for doing this to do this collab with me. She got this palette recently. I got it when it first launched, which was quite a few months ago, and she just got it in, and I saw it in her post, and I told her she would really like Lethal Shadows because she had never tried them before. I love Lethal Shadows. I just got the Night Flower because it went out of stock and then it came back in, and I went ahead and got it. And I saw that she had gotten the Berlin, so I asked if she wanted to do a collab look, which she said yes. And I showed her pictures earlier. Here is also another look at hers, which is beautiful. She used the multi-chrome. I have already done a video using this palette. I will link it below if you want to watch that tutorial, but I used the duochrome as well. But just to show you the packaging, this is how it looks. And then it comes, the sleeve it's in a sleeve, so it comes out and looks like this. And this is the back. And this is a lot smaller than their other palettes that they have, and the shadows are a little different. It doesn't have the Lethal logo on them, and they're a lot smaller, which I thought was, different because they were doing something different for the, Berlin 89 collab. This is the duochrome here, which is Breakthrough, which is like, it turns from like a green gold to a beautiful like fuchsia purple. Really, really pretty. The mattes are beautiful. This color up here, Transit, is a duochrome, duochrome, and it is looks like white, but it has a pink reflect to it. I've used most of the shades in this palette. I have no problem with them. They blend just beautifully. I love Lethal Shadows. I also have the duochrome, the multi-chrome on my lips over this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink from the Make It Black collab they did. I think it was last year or the year before. This is more like a gloss. It's not like a, it's not opaque black lipstick. I thought it was, because it's Superstay ink, because some of their Superstay inks are very opaque and long lasting. This is more like a gloss, so it's very weird. This formula is very weird, but I just used a little bit and then I patted on some of the multi-chrome on the top, so I don't know if you can see the shift in that any. And then I used it also in the center of the eye and also on the lower lash line. But I like the look because it's dark. I like dark looks. I think it came out really nice. Miss Dion's look is fabulous as well. If you have this palette or if you've tried Lethal Cosmetics, let me know your thoughts because I have plenty. And I will be doing a video using the Night Flower, maybe, 2 looks using the Night Flower palette as well. But this is the look that I came up with for our collab. Thank you again, Miss Dion. I hope we can do more. Please check out her channel as well. I'll link her below. Fabulous. Very, very to the point. No fucks given at all with Miss Dion. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. Everything is laid out for you. Nothing is hidden. It's all laid out. So if you like those kind of channels where it's just all in your face, no BS, coming at you live, that's Miss Dion for you. So again, thanks so much for collabing with me on this look. I will link her video so you can go check her out as well. And again, this is what we came up with for this collab look. Just a smoky eye with some red, and then the multi-chrome in the center, and then also using the multi-chrome on the lip. But thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I thank you all for coming here and spending time. My appreciation to you. Thank you so much. If there's any videos you want to see, please let me know. If you want to see more looks with this palette, I can do that too. But have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.